If you're serious about growing on YouTube, and I mean really blowing up, you need to get these settings right. I'm talking about 13 settings that if you don't pay close attention to, could seriously lower your chances of taking off on YouTube. And trust me, some of these settings seem small, but they make all the difference. Like your watch time and subscribers are going to increase if you implement these settings I'm about to show you. In this video, I'm going to show you 13 settings you must turn on that would help your videos perform better. So without further ado, let's walk through these settings that will level up your channel. My name is Charles. Let's go. First up is about targeting the right audience. You don't want your folktale videos or blogging videos showing up for viewers who love football, right? Or for people who are interested in gaming content. That's a recipe for terrible retention. What you want to do after uploading a video is to scroll down here at the bottom of your video and click on category, right? And then select the category for that particular video that video falls into. So if it's a folktale video, you can decide to choose entertainment or film and animation, or if it's a gaming content, you can just choose gaming. All right, so that when people that are interested in gaming search for something related, it's going to pop up. You don't want your content that is about gaming coming up for people that are interested in cooking classes, right? You can also set it as an upload default by clicking on settings and clicking on upload defaults, advanced settings, category, and then you set your channel category. Anytime you upload a video, it will automatically be set to this category. If YouTube sends your videos to the wrong audience, it's going to lower your video performance, which will affect your channel negatively. It's that simple. I know this is very easy to overlook, so you need to set this properly. All right, now what about returning viewers? They are just as valuable as the new ones, if not more, because they are likely to stick around and binge watch your content, your videos for hours. A quick tip here: make sure your channel page looks organized and engaging for when they visit. Check out channels like Joe Raptor, and you see what I'm talking about. His page is filled with organized sections and playlists that make you want to keep clicking. You can do this too by going to the customization tab and then adding future sections to your channels. You click on home and then click on layout, add section, and select playlist. You can add multiple playlists or single playlist. You can add future channels if you have more than one channel. You can add for you videos and popular videos. Now, a super tip for you: this for you section gives YouTube the opportunity to recommend videos that the viewer has been searching for online. So you want to put this at the top section of your YouTube channel. Just like I said, you can check out Joe Raptor. You can see his channel is filled with playlists and sections that would keep you clicking and watching more videos. Now, you want to use this on your channel to keep people binge watching your content, especially if you already have fans or if they're already in love with the kind of video that you create. Now, this next one is for everyone who wants YouTube to push their content harder. Add end screens. Add end screens to your videos. If you're not using end screens, you're missing out. These are critical for keeping viewers on your channel. YouTube wants viewers to keep coming back to your channel, so you need to use end screen to keep them watching more and more videos on your channel. Now, here's a hack. At the end of your video, say something that drives people to another of your video. For example, if you just did a video on funniest Minecraft animations on YouTube, and you also have a video on how to create animation Minecraft, you can say something like this: if you're curious about how these animations are made, click here. It's all about giving viewers a reason to stay, right? So just direct them to click here if they have enjoyed the video that they watch. YouTube loves it when viewers spend more time on your channel. So take extra 30 seconds to set this up before posting your video, and here's how to do it. So just after you've posted a video, before you set it public, you can select end screen and then set up your end screen properly, just like I've set it up here, or even better or simpler. You don't need to do much. You can click on add element to add a video or a playlist, depending on what you want to add at the end of your video, so that viewers will keep watching and going to the next video and the next and the next. Another way to do this, if you're not sure about the video to recommend to your viewers after after they watch a video is to add a playlist at the end of the video instead of just a video, so that the viewer can binge watch the videos in the playlist. Now, the strategy is good because if the viewer doesn't complete the playlist, YouTube might suggest more videos from that playlist to the viewers so that they can continue watching the playlist. This brings me to the next setting, which is channel playlist. Now, one thing you must do to increase your views is creating a playlist. Creating a playlist is very easy. Just click on playlist after uploading your video and then select the playlist you want to add your videos to. Now, create a playlist for different types of videos on your channel, which would help you organize your videos and give viewers a better watching experience. For example, if you create folktale stories videos, you can create a unique character and then create series of videos for that character and then organize it in one playlist. Organize the videos based on the type of story, which can be love stories or scary stories or magical stories. Now, this is going to differ depending on the type of channel that you have, depending on the type of videos that you create. Now, this would make the viewer spend more time on your channel. That means YouTube may not recommend other videos to your viewers, because sometimes if you just add a video at the end screen, after the viewer watches that video, YouTube might recommend another video from another channel. But if the video is being watched from a playlist, YouTube would recommend the next video in that playlist, which will keep the viewer on your channel, giving you more watch time and more views. That is the secret to retention. And speaking of retention, let's talk about getting subscribers. Now, what you're going to do is to head over to customization, click on customization, and scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see video watermark. Now, upload a video watermark. This serves as a little subscribe reminder in the bottom right corner of a video. Anytime you play a video, you're going to see a subscribe icon there. Now, you can see the watermark at the bottom right of my video. If I click on it, it will say subscribe, but I'm already subscribed to my own channel. So you can see it says subscribe. This way the viewer can easily subscribe to your channel. Now, it's especially handy for people that are watching in full screen, maybe on TV and stuff like that, and they don't want to exit the video to subscribe. So they can easily click here and just subscribe to your channel. So that's a great thing for you to add to your channel. Just think of it as a subtle nudge, and trust me, every little bit helps. So I can just easily click here to subscribe. Another important thing you can add to your video is automatic chapters. You've probably seen them around. Maybe you've even thought they are super convenient for viewers, right? Easy for you to just scan through and click on any chapters and go straight to watch, right? Now, the thing about this chapter feature is it's run by AI, okay? And it's not a good type, because this AI is not really good at picking out chapters from videos. And if it messes up the video, if it selects the wrong chapter, puts it at the wrong place, it can really hurt your retention rate, because the viewer would click on that chapter thinking, you know, that they are going to get what they clicked for, but then to take them to somewhere else on the video which talks about something else. So you see, sometimes it is not good. It hurts your channel sometimes. So you can decide to put it if it's a long video, if you want to try it out, or you do it manually. All right. Now you can add timestamps manually to make this very clear. So you can see the channel chapters here, and this was added manually. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that I added the chapters manually. So if you click here, it's going to take you to that point of the video. You can see here I added it manually, and then it was added to the video. This is the best way to do it if you want to do it. If you're doing a list style video like top 10 this or the best 5 that, this setup is good, since viewers can just see exactly what's coming up next. And trust me, a little effort here and there can go a long way to increase your watch time and subscribers. Personally, I don't add it in all of my videos. I add it in some of my videos that I feel would be helpful to the viewers. The next settings will help your channel growth if implemented correctly. After you've uploaded a video, listen, it's very important. Scroll down to the bottom of your video where it says tags, and add keywords related to the video that you just uploaded. Now, this is going to help YouTube understand the type of video that you have created, who to show it to, and the relevance, right? And this is one way to boost your channel SEO. For example, if my video is about how to cook fried rice and chicken, I would add keywords like how to make fried rice, chicken fried rice recipe, how to prepare fried rice. Now these are what people are searching for, and to tell YouTube, oh, this video is what this user wants. So YouTube will use the keywords based on what people searched. If you have used that based on what people are searching, and pick your video and show it to them. Add tags, add keywords that people are searching for, so that when they search for it, your video might show up. All right, tools like vidIQ and TubeMagic can help you find trending keywords. Now, if you want free exposure, here is another setting you need to consider. This is important. Allow other creators to reuse your content. I know some of you might be saying, I don't want people to make money from my video. I know you're hesitant, but listen up. This is free exposure for you. If people want to react to your videos, let them react to your videos. It's more people talking about you, which helps you expand your reach. More people get to know you. And to do this, to allow people to use your video, scroll down to here it says license. Click on standard YouTube license drop down and click on Creative Commons attribution. Change it to Creative Commons attribution, and then click on allow video and audio remixing. Now, if you see mine, I left it at standard YouTube license because I would like to know who posts my video, right? So sometimes if I see the person that posts, because a lot of people repost my videos, sometimes they repost it on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. So when they repost it on YouTube, I get notified, and sometimes I change it to Creative Commons so they can also make money from the video. So I just leave it at that, but if you want, you can just change it to Creative Commons attribution. Okay, so for me, here is always allowed for people to remix my videos and all that. If short remixing is turned off to audio only, you can click on allow video and audio remixing. That way, anyone making a short from your video will have it linked back to you, to your video. So it's one way to get more reach and more views to your video, allowing people to remix your video to a short. It's like sending breadcrumbs straight back to your channel for more viewers, more exposure, and you control the narrative of everything, so you can bring down the video if you want. Pro tip, you can also add keywords to your video description. You can add several keywords when describing the video, when describing what the video is all about and what you're going to teach them. You can add certain keywords. Your video description also goes a long way to tell the viewers what your video is about, so you can use the opportunity to add certain keywords. So while typing out your description, make sure to add keywords sensitive. In this video, I'll show you how to cook fried rice recipe, and you're going to learn everything about preparing fried rice and chicken. So you're just going to add words that will make the description pop when it comes to keyword. The next one is one of the most important settings to do to protect all your hard work. You do not want to get hacked, especially after putting in all this hard work, all these efforts, hours, sleepless nights to grow your channel. So what you're going to do is to go to your channel, click on N, and scroll to the top. You see two-step verification. Click on setup two-step verification, and then click on continue. Sometimes the badge will appear at the top of your channel if it's a new channel. Now, you'll be required to verify your account with your phone number, so be prepared, have your phone close to you to do this. After setting this up, you'll be notified anytime someone tries to log into your account, and don't skip this step. Protect your channel like it's your online baby, right? If not, Otilo, it don't go. Now, here's one thing that a lot of creators do not know about, but it is huge. Open your YouTube and then click on customization, and then you scroll down here where it says description. Now, this is your channel description. You're going to want to fill this description here. It sounds simple, but this is very important. It is prime real estate and can be a game changer for your channel in terms of growing your channel and getting more subscribers. Now, when viewers check out your channel, the first line of this description shows at the top of your channel page. It's like the elevator pitch for your channel, so make it count. Some top creators use this space to drive attention. If you look at Joe Raptor, you can see My goal is to keep you up to date with the best RPGs. And if you look at Ali Abdal, he uses his space to sell. He says the biggest offer of the year, now is the best time to join my YouTube Academy. Basically, make that line work for you. It's quick, it's visible, and it's where people are likely to look. Next, you want to make sure that your video description is consistent across all your uploads. You're going to go to settings, upload defaults. So this is where you can add your standard details like affiliate links, social media handles, or any links that you want to include in every video you upload. So have a standard description so that it's just going to come up anytime you upload a video. This saves you time and makes sure that all your videos have consistent information. Another pro tip, YouTube automatically sets your videos to public after uploading, which can lead to some unintended surprises. To prevent this, change your default visibility setting to unlisted. So you want to come down here, click on visibility and change it to unlisted so that you can make final tweaks before it goes live. I mean, you don't want a random video accidentally going public, right? You don't want that. And while you're still in settings, you want to make sure your channel is optimized with the right keywords. What you're going to do is to scroll down here and click on tags. Here you can add keywords that are related to the type of content that you create. Now, what these keywords will do is to help YouTube understand the type of content that you put out, and it will help YouTube connect the dots. So you want to be specific on your keywords. You want to understand what type of keywords your audience are searching, what type of keywords are related to the video, the content that you put out. For example, if you post football videos, a keyword can be football highlights or anything that points directly to your content. Now let's talk about shorts. Shorts are known for grabbing tons of views, but those views don't always translate to your regular content. YouTube has a solution for that. When you upload a short, go to video element, and then in the upload screen you can add a related video. So if your short is a teaser for a longer video, this is a perfect way to drive traffic straight to that video. So if you click on related video, after you upload a video, you can select any video that is related to the short that you are posting, so that once that short gets views, if the short gets like 5,000 views, 100,000 views, or 1 million views, people can easily click on the long video that is connected at the bottom of the video. Now, these YouTube settings can make or break your YouTube channel's growth. Go give it a try, tweak them to fit your content, and I guarantee you that you're going to see a difference. You're going to get more views, more subscribers. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Share this video to people that you want their channel to grow. And if you enjoyed this video, you're going to enjoy this one. I made it for you. Go check it out.